Hello everyone. মই ডিম্পি আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ চেনেল নিউজ জাৰ্নিলৈ পুনৰ এবাৰ আদৰণি জনাইছো। কেনে আছে আপোনালোক? আশা কৰো সকলো ভালে আছে। আহক দেৰি নকৰি আজিৰ ভিডিঅ' আৰম্ভ কৰো। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত মই দেখুৱাইছো ইংলিছ এলফাবেটছ খিনি স্মল ফৰ্মত কেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰি। মোৰ আগৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আছে ইংলিছ লেটাৰ্ছ খিনি ইন ক্যাপিটেল লেটাৰ্ছ। যদি আগৰ ভিডিঅ' কোনোবাই চোৱা নাই তেতিয়াহ'লে ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন বক্সত মোৰ ইয়াৰ লিংক দিয়া আছে, আপোনালোকে তাত গৈ পেলাই আগৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাব পাৰিব। আহক তেতিয়াহ'লে আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ।
Let's start. A. Start at the middle and make a curve. Small curve like this, and then make a standing line and turn like little curve like this. B. Start at the top of the line, make a standing line, then again make a curve at the middle of the line downwards like this. C. Make a small curve starting at the middle like this. D. Make a standing line at the top of the line downwards like this, then make a curve like this. D. E. Start at the middle and make a loop like this. F. Make a standing line starting from curve at the top of the line like this, end at the bottom and a backward curve. Slipping line like this. G. Make a curve beginning at the middle and make a standing line downwards and a backward curve like this. H. Make a standing line downwards like this and a curve at the middle downwards. I. Make a standing line like this and give a dot just above the line. J. Make a standing line starting at the middle downwards and a backward curve like this and give a dot just above the line. K. Make standing line downwards like this, then give a slanting line downwards left like this, then another slanting line downwards to the right like this. Then L. Make a standing line from the top of the line and a little curve like this. M. Make a standing line, start with the middle line like this, then make a curve like this, then another curve like this. M. N. Again draw a standing line like this, then draw a curve downwards. O. Go to the middle and draw a curve upwards like this. P. Go to the middle Draw a standing line like this. Again go to the middle, draw a curve like this. Q, go to the middle, draw a standing line like this and give a hook, then a curve like this. Then go to the middle, draw a standing line like this, and again at the middle start a slanting line like this. S, go to the middle, draw a little curve like this, then again a backward curve like this. S. T, go to the top of the line, draw a standing line and curve, then a slipping line at the middle. U, draw a standing line, little curve like this, then again a standing line and just curve like this. V, draw a slanting line starting at the middle downwards like this, then again draw another slanting line upwards like this. W, draw a slanting line downwards like this, then another slanting line upwards, then another slanting line downwards right, then another slanting line upwards right. X, draw a slanting line at the middle like this, then another slanting line from the middle downwards, cutting the first slanting line like this. Y, draw a standing line, just curve like this, and again go to the middle, draw a standing line and a backward curve like this. Z, go to the middle and draw a slipping line like this, then a slanting line downwards to the left, then again go to the middle and start another slipping line at the bottom to the right like this.
দেখিলে নিশ্চয় কেনেকৈ আমি ষ্টেণ্ডিং লাইন, স্লিপিং লাইন, স্লেণ্টিং লাইন আৰু কাৰ্ভৰ সহায়ত স্মল লেটাৰ্ছখিনি খুব ধুনীয়াকৈ লিখিব পাৰিছোঁ। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানেই, কিন্তু যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে লাইক কৰিব, শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু প্লিজ নতুন ভিউৱাৰ্ছসকলে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। থেংক ইউ।